Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure the voice chat mod is installed on your Aternos instance and that your client runs the exact same mod version. Mismatches break connections. Once done, verify the loader Fabric versus Forge because voice chat depends on the right environment. Then restart the server and your client. A fresh start applies mods and network bindings. If you modified config files, clear the client's cached data so settings don't conflict. Next, focus on how voice packets travel. Voice chat uses UDP and often requires a relay or explicit port forwarding. Open the mod config to find the port, then enable Aternos UDP relay or forward that port on your router if you host elsewhere. Make sure your firewall allows that UDP traffic. Many home routers block unsolicited ports. Also check whether your ISP applies carrier-grade NAT. If so, use the relay mode in voice chat so peers can connect without direct port mapping. Finally, configure the client. Pick your microphone device, set push-to-talk or voice activation, and adjust input volume so your signal isn't muted. Then join the server and run the provided commands like /voiceinfo and /voicetest to confirm a successful handshake. If it fails, check both client and server logs for errors. Enable verbose logging to capture UDP handshakes. Make sure the mod's secret key or server ID matches on both ends. Mismatched keys prevent authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.